Hey guys, it's Matt and Steve from LRM Leasing. We want to talk about something that we hear so much, especially today. Supply chain shortage, used parts are through the roof on pricing or hard to come by. We're experiencing it every day. We want to let you know really how that is affecting us, our customers, all you truckers out there. And really our biggest tip from this is why preventative maintenance is so much more important than it already is, because reacting after something breaks, you'd be surprised that part is probably not available. So now is the time to invest in your truck, take it seriously. And if you're thinking you're just gonna run it to the ground and go buy another one, good luck. If you've seen the price of used trucks lately and the availability, forget about it. Everyone's reinvesting in their equipment. So Steve, tell us, what are we seeing here in the shop on this parts shortage? And what are we doing to overcome that, to make sure that we have parts available for new trucks coming in and helping our customers who are already on the road?
So right now, like he says, parts is very hard to come by right now, and I'm looking everywhere, not just my dealership or aftermarket parts. I'm also calling out of the different states, going online, trying to find whatever I can. So right now, I think everybody's struggling, even including us, when it comes to our basic things like oil changes, getting the oil filters, fuel filters, even air filters. So I'm always being proactive, calling, even out of the state. Sometimes I've even called outside of the country just to find a part. So when you have these small little repairs, don't just blow it off and think that it's going to be fixed later down the road. That may not even be the case, because that one simple part that was 30 bucks or 40 bucks is now you're waiting for that $30, $40 part, and it's going to be months, not days, months before that part shows up. Now what we're doing proactively just to keep our trucks, our new ones, and get them onto the road is, I'm constantly thinking outside of the box. I will hit up my local dealer, and then I'm going to start calling other states, going online, seeing what's available. Sometimes I'm even on a waiting list currently right now just to get parts.
It's a bit of a treasure hunt.
It is. You're literally.
And when you find it, buy it and buy extra, right? So I think that's the big thing.
So this is what I would recommend, especially when it comes to your truck. Preventive maintenance. Try to, if someone has an extra filter or fuel, oil, and air, what I would recommend is keep a few at home and keep an extra pair in the truck, because you may just run into that, go to one of those truck stops and just find out they just don't have filters that day and they're waiting. So be proactive. Make sure that you take care of your asset by just keeping some basic parts in your truck. Filters, belts, little things like that you can run around the country with.
So guys, you heard it here, right? The parts that we used to take for granted that were right around the corner, they're not there. So take it serious, take care of your truck, because you will find yourself in a situation where you want to fix something, but the part's not available, and there's going to be no ETA and nobody can help you. So please take it seriously. Check out our YouTube channel. We got a ton of content on there. We're always putting out new content. We're constantly listening to what you guys want to hear, answering your questions, making videos about them. I mean, I can't tell you how much feedback we get where it's like, that video saved my butt, or I was on the side of the road. If it wasn't for that video, thank you. So we're trying to put out the best content for you guys, because we know it's not easy. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.